Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to get transparent apps on iOS 26. So basically iPhone has launched their latest iOS 26. So in this iOS 26 they have included many features, and one of the features is their futuristic design, thinking about liquid glass. So they are thinking about the liquid glass, so that's why they have introduced the transparent icons in respect to the future thinking of the liquid glass. So in future iPhone will be available in liquid glass option. So that's why they have also introduced the transparent icons. So if you want to get that transparent icons, how you can get that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to simply go to general. So in general, you have to simply scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. Now what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you have installed the latest iOS 26 on your iPhone. For this, you have to simply go to settings, and after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to general, and you have to check for software update. So basically now officially iOS has never introduced the official public update, but there are iOS 26 beta updates available. So you have to first of all download and install any of the iOS 26 beta. So now it is available iOS 26 beta 3. So you have to simply download and install that beta 3. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to check for the options for the apps. But if you want to change the apps setting, then you have to simply press and hold as you are doing in the iOS 18. So you have to simply click on edit, and after that you can simply click on customize, and after that you will find icon option here. Like here you can simply change dark icons, light icons, and automatic, and after that you can also use tinted icons. So that options were available in the iOS 18. So if you want to change it to simple, then you can simply go for that, but you have to make sure that you have installed the iOS 26 on your iPhone. After that, you will be able to get that transparent icon. So hope you have liked this video. When you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.